Start by marinating the chicken with turmeric, chili powder, black pepper, crushed garlic and crushed ginger, and salt. Mix everything thoroughly and set aside and let it marinate for at least an hour. While the chicken is marinating, prepare the aromatic spice base by roasting the following whole spices in a heavy base pan. Roast them on a medium flame, stirring continuously until you smell aromas and notice a color change. Be careful not to burn the spices. Once done, transfer the spices onto a plate and let it cool down completely. Then grind them into a smooth paste with a quarter cup to half cup of water. Set the paste aside. Heat 4 tablespoons of coconut oil in a heavy base pan. Add 3 small pieces of cinnamon stick and half a cup of coconut flakes. Toss them on a low flame until golden brown. Add 3 tablespoons of crushed ginger and 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic, followed by 2 medium onions finely chopped and 3 slit green chillies. Saute this mixture with a generous pinch of salt until the onions are slightly soft and translucent. Now add in the marinated chicken. Sear on a medium to low heat for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. This step is crucial. It helps caramelize the surface of the chicken, locking in the juices and developing a deep and rich flavor and texture. Once you're happy with the sear, add the ground Chettinad spice paste. Stir it in and cook for 2 minutes and let the paste coat the chicken. This following step is optional but highly recommended. Add 500 grams of chopped potatoes. They soak up all the spices and flavors, creating a lovely and comforting combo. Then add in 2 cups of hot water, stir well, and cover the pan. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the chicken and the potatoes are cooked through, finish the curry by adding 2 medium chopped tomatoes and a handful of fresh curry leaves. I didn't have fresh, so mine's frozen. And a quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder. Stir gently and let it simmer uncovered for a few minutes. Serve hot with steamed rice, flaky parotas or idiyappam. Enjoy the deep roast flavors, warm spices and comforting heat of the Chettinad classic.